Hi guys, Adeyemi Oluwaseyin is here. So today I want to show you another application and the cards that works there. Actually, the bank cards that works is a GT Bank, and right now GT Bank has increased their monthly limit to $200 per month. It has been increased to $200 per month. But this app, it's called pyypl. If you go to your Google Play Store, just type pyypl. All right, type it there. So you just need to install this application, right? So once the application has been installed, you can see that I'm still having 99.66 right here. The reason is that on this application virtual card, you can only spend $100 per month. On this virtual card, you can only spend $100 per month. You cannot spend more than that in a month. That is why my own thought was that it should be able to, just like a Flutter Wave card, that is better card. Maybe you can spend more than that. So I funded all the $200. At the end of the day, I discovered that I cannot spend more than $100 in a month. All right. So actually, the first time I tried it yesterday, I just wanted to try it out. Then the second time that I was trying to record, that is when I want to spend the remaining $100, which I could not. All right. So, but let me quickly walk you through how you're going to do the whole thing. So once you have installed this application, pyypl, register on it. Very simple. Then verify it. I think they collect your means of identification. Then they ask you to snap your face. Once you do that, it's almost immediately they will approve your account. Then they will give you the card automatically. All right. So once they do that, the second thing is, when you are doing a transaction, you bank send the OTP, that is OTP token. So if you want to get your OTP token here, when you are doing your transaction, you just need to come to this three line for you to see your OTP token. You come to so you are seeing OTP. So if you click on it, when you are doing your transaction, you see your OTP will come out here before you will be able to enter it on the platform where you want to use it. So now let me just continue. So if you want to fund here, you just need to come to add money right here. Okay, you come to add money. When you get to add money, you see debit card load. You click on debit card load. Then you now enter amount that you want to fund. I want to fund $100. All right, I want to fund $100. So these guys will remove $4 while you take $96. Most of that it shows here, most of that it might not shows. Let me just, okay, it shows. All right, it's 96. Then you need to click on continue. You click on continue, then let me click on continue. Then here you can now enter your GT bank details. All right, you can now enter your GTB account details. So once you do that, you click on pay. Once you click on pay, then the payment will enter immediately. All right, the payment will enter. At times, it might, after you have click on pay, it might be asking, doing as if nothing is inside. At times, it might say successful. At times, it might not even say successful, and just be showing different things. You don't need any problem. All you need to do is just to click the back. You see a back button here. Just click on the back button and make sure that you go back to home. So before you know, back something like that. So you just think that you go back home. So before you know, you will see your money right here. Okay. So then after that, then let me just show you the history. So I first loaded $100 right here with GT Bank. Then I tried to there, yes. So I used it on Binance. So you can see a decline right here. So when I got to Binance, I was trying to, use it to buy USDT straight, but it was declined. But I tell you what I'm going to do. I tried to use it on crypto.com also. I don't know. So some of them. So later, I was able to use it on Binance again. I just think that, since it cannot buy straight on Binance, let me just try to use it to deposit then. So I use it to deposit on Binance and it entered immediately then I buy it. But so when I have finished the transaction, I funded another $100 again because GTBank can spend $200 per month now. Then that is when I cannot spend anything, so that make sure that you don't do such a mistake, so that your money will not be hanged till next month, because this $100 that I have on this account now can only be used by next month. So I have to wait for next month. All right. So as you can see that I have decline. So later I have to talk to their support. Let me check if, all right. So I talked to their support that I have $100. So now you can now say, please be advised that we need to comply with the banking restriction of Nigeria. With this said, you are only allowed to put money on your account maximum of $100 per month. Okay, so then the maximum amount this account can hold is $1,000. So it means you can put, although you can put $1,000 there, but you cannot spend more than $100 in a month. It means you put $1,000 there, you will be spending every $100 every month till for 10 months. So why would I do that? Okay, so, and I said, okay, because you can actually buy another card for just $100. Now ask him that, okay, can I buy another card to use my $100? He said, no, sir. Can you say so? It's restriction to $100 used in a month. That is, this app can use $100 even if you buy 1,000 cards. If you buy 2,000 cards, so you can only spend $100 on it. All right. So, and I said, okay, no problem. So if there is nothing else, so now can you see? So that is when I now say, okay, no problem. I will leave the $100 there till next month, and I just blocked the card by myself. You see that the card, you come to this, you see the card is blocked. You can see I blocked the card. So next month, so that it won't be useful. So by next month, then I will try to use the card again. So now let's go back to. Then it's not that one can also buy crypto here, but I don't know how cheap it is. Though I know that they will be selling at this normal rate. Then another issue is that you cannot send out. You can only buy and sell here again. So you cannot send it out. All right. So that is the issue that they have on this platform. Now let's go to the Binance. So the Binance is loading. All right. So the Binance is loading. So I deliberately, do it like this so that it will be easier for me. I don't want to be, I don't want to be, scrolling. All right. So now this is Binance. So this is Binance. Then if you want to use this card on Binance, you just need to come to this parts. Deposit, you can see shows deposit Naira on my own phone right here. I don't know what it's going to show. Maybe Naira, maybe Euro on at your end. But either it show Naira, don't worry, just click on it. So when you click on it, then it starts loading. Okay, so then to change to Euro automatically, right? So then you will see bank card, Visa or MasterCard. Then so you leave it at that place. All right, you leave it in that place. Then all you need to do is just to click on continue right here. So click on continue. Then you have let's say you have $96, right? Because $4 must have been charged from pyypl app. So they would credit you $96. So what you need to do is to enter, I think it should be 82 or 83. Let me just say 83. let me see, 83 right here. So when you enter 83 euro, so these guys will credit you. I mean, Binance will credit you 81.51 euro. Then, so then you can see that the card has been attached to this Binance. All right, so this is their card that has been attached to the Binance account. But if your own has not been attached to it, you just need to click on add a card. You see add a card. So then click on add a card and add the card details there. So this is our own transaction fee. All right, so then you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, so you can see that this is loading. All right, so you can see that it's loading. So then it asks for the OTP. So on right this place, you have to click on backlink. Then it will now ask for the OTP. It will now ask for the OTP. So that's where I said you have to go back to your pyypl. So you have to go back to pyypl. You have to go back to pyypl right here. Come in, please. So when you get to pyypl, you have to come to pyypl. Then you come to this place, the three lines. Then you click on OTP. So you can see that OTP has been sent to me. You can see that OTP has been sent. So all you need to do is just to copy the OTP right here. Then you go back to, so you just need to type in the OTP that was sent there. That's 4475. I don't know that one. I just did it. So once you do that, then you just need to click on submit. So once you click on submit, then your money will be credited. Your money will be credited. But even in case, the amount that I put here, maybe your money, so you just have to do the calculation, all right, to know how much euro that they're going to put deposit right there. So on Binance. So after you have done all this, so you are now good to go now. So the money excuse me. So the money we debited from your PYYPL. From your PYYPL, then the next thing you're going to do right here is just to go to, so you have nothing to do with Binance again. PYY again. After you have deposited the money to the Binance, then you just come to the Binance right here, right? Then you need to go and buy. You need to buy with your with the money that you deposit there. So all you need to do is just to go to, so all you need to do is just to go to trade. When you get to trade, then you click on fiat here. You see fiat. You can see fiat here. So you click on that fiat. So they ask you to choose the currency. Remember, you have euro there, right? You deposit euro, then you click on euro. Then so you want to buy. You want to buy crypto, right? You want to buy crypto, then you click on this place. Then you choose USDT. You have to buy USDT this time around. You don't need to, So the whole money that you're having in your USDT, that is, you just need to click on this place. So the whole money, so you just need to type in, okay, I have 81. If you have, that is the amount that you have there, then you need to click on buy. So when you click on buy, you see the euro, the whole euro that you have right here. You now make use of card this time around. So we're going to make use of the card that cash. That is the balance that you have here. Then you click on confirm. All right. Once you click on confirm, then your USDT will be credited immediately. Your USDT will be credited to the spot wallet immediately. So then the next thing you need to do is just go back and come to the spot wallet right here. So when you get to spot wallet, you have to come to wallet rather. You have to come to wallet right here. So when you go to wallet, you will see your USDT will be credited. So you will see your USDT and the amount. So for example, let me say this is the USDT. Okay, so you see USDT and the amount right here. Then all you need to do is just to come to transfer. You need to transfer it to P2P. Then you can see spot wallet. Then you see funding. But if you do not see funding at your own end, you might see P2P. It could be P2P or funding. If you don't see P2P, you see funding. So just click on funding. And if you see P2P, no problem. Then this place, you need to change this place to USDT, but that is what you have. Then right here, you need to click on max. So once you click on max, that's all the max and USDT that you have in spot wallet. You want to transfer it to funding or P2P wallet. Then you come to confirm transfer. Once you come to confirm transfer, that's all. Then now as from there, you need to come back to trade here again. Just follow the step by step. It's very easy. Once you get to trade, then you see P2P right here. Click on P2P. When you get to P2P, this place you need to change it to Naira. Just click on it. You see Naira, change it to Naira. Then come to this place. That's how I use. I don't have time to be searching. Then I put it on Express. Then once I put it on Express, you click on sell. You want to sell your USDT back to Naira. Then get to this place. Then you see max. You see amount. So we just need to click on max. So all the USDT that you have, you are going to have it here. Then you click on sell. That is how you are going to sell it back to Naira. Okay. So that is how you are going to sell it back to Naira. So guys, this is what I have for you. So if I have any other cards, I'll try. I think right now you can use a GT Bank ad. Then UBA is also working on PLL, on PLL app to fund PLL app. UBA is working. GT Bank is working, but GT Bank you can actually use $200, but you can only spend $100 on PYPL. Okay, so that is the issue about that. So then you must have had your bank account here before. All right, you must have had your bank account want to be here before. So and then you click on sell. Once you click on sell, they will give you see a seller that want to pay you Naira. Once the seller pay you Naira, then you just need to click on transfer the USDT. After you have confirmed, make sure that you log into your app and see. Don't rely on alert. Make sure that you see the balance, main balance, that the money that person sent has been accredited to your balance, available balance. Then you can now release the USDT to that person. So that's all what I have for you guys. So thank you very much. So you can use UBA card. You can use GT Bank card. So those are the two cards that I think I knew that you can use, right? But we'll still be trying other cards. I tried the Access card. It was not, the Visa, it was not successful. So we'll still be trying different cards on it. Then if there's any information about Arbitrage, we will be dropping it on this channel. So if you are new to this channel, please, I want you to click on the subscription button, click on the notification button, so that whenever you drop a content like this, you'll be the first person. And thank you very much. I remain friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun.